Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on euro currency. So you can see the setup that we have talked about in the weekend has worked very nice. So indeed we've got the bullish upward action. Market has completed our ABCD target on intraday charts. So also the pattern that we have talked about on the dollar index, if you remember, we said that we should pay attention to this grabber that suggests the taking out of these lows, and it means that on the euro currency it could be upward action, and that bet has worked nice. In here you can see the dollar index has broken for the lows, so the grabber is completed right now. On the euro currency we do not see any breakout, so market still stands in the range of the previous week, but still overall upward action stands very nice. It's stuck again inside this confidence resistance where market stands since the October 2018. At the same time, you could see that market is not at overbought, so overbought stands only here. It's approximately 115.60. And here we also have a possible destination point, so we should not deny it totally. It's pivot resistance 1, monthly pivot resistance 1 is 115.30. Why I'm talking about the pivot? Because the price action is looks really very classic. So market initially dropped to the weekly pivot support 1, returned right back up to the weekly pivot point, and now jumps about the weekly pivot point, and it means that at least from the pivot framework, it could mean that market is coming here. But today, so that could become the next target that we could talk about on the bullish side. But today, since market has completed our destination point, you can see ABCD pattern is completed. We've got guarded triple to sell. Today we mostly will be watching for response on this target and to see how market will show retracement here. Take a look right on the top. We have reversal candle. It means that downward action could take kind of the ABCD pattern. And also keep an eye on the 114.15 area, because this is 30% support of the upward action, and this is minimal target of the guardless pattern. So usually when the market forms the guardless in this butterfly or 222, it's usually a response to the pattern is a 30% action. That's why here we will be watching for 114 area approximately. So you can see this is actually the confidence support. So market could reach, and after that we will be watching what patterns will be formed here. So whether we will take the long position here, in what manner market will reach this. So we do not want to see it collapse down. We want to see gradual action here. So in this case, maybe some patterns will be formed. For example, guarded triple to buy here could be formed. So otherwise, other words, we will be watching for any chance to go long here in this area. Also take a look that here will be the MACD predictor, and if market will form the grabber here, I mean bullish grabber, this will be very good. This could be situations that was formed something of that sort. You can see market hit the MACD predictor. That was a grabber. It was another reason why we talked about the possible bullish position in the weekend. But today, within a few hours, we'll be watching for a pullback. So approximate target of the retracement we already have estimated. Now, what really price action could follow? If you'll take a look at the hourly chart, take a look here, guys. Actually, we have a kind of the bread and butter nature of the price action. It's not quite the bread and butter, of course, by strict Jordan-Napoli rules, but the nature of this action is approximately the same. So take a look here. We have the very good frost up, no retracements at all. First deep pullback down, right to the 30% support. Yes, here we have 4 candles to the downside when the market hits the support, but the nature of this action is the same. Here we have the bullish momentum, and that was the first retracement. That means, and here market could show the significant pullback. That's very short-term scale, guys. It's only for scalp traders. If you're searching chance to go short or something of that sort, you could think about it. So here we could get, the Brent bar usually shows the 618 retracement. That's the area to watch for 114.60, 114.65. Maybe market here will form a gutless pattern as well. But after that, following the logic of the 222 here, and that we're watching for a drop to the 114 area, we could get the kind of the ABC reaction here. And take a look, because the seeded OP target of this potential pattern stands at 114.12, and it's approximately the same area, actually 30% support. So that's the action that we will keep an eye on within the few hours, or maybe one session till the tomorrow. Probably tomorrow this action should be completed. So after that we will take a look what will happen around the conference on the 4 time frame chart, and whether it makes sense to watch for another higher upward destination point. So if we'll take a look at the target, let's take a look where the XOP target stands, just to understand what to expect. So that SOP has been hit. XOP, right, it's 115.28, and it agrees with the monthly pivot resistance one. It's also 115.30, so the same area. That will be next destination point. Currently, as you can see, market already starts to show reaction on the Brent bottom. So let's see what we will get. But our particular interest is, of course, with this retracement back to the conference and potential bullish pattern. That is very short-term scale. So if you would like to trade, you trade on intraday charts. Maybe that will help too. But our focus mostly on the bullish stuff currently, and we'll be watching for how this retracement will be over.